high. Over 90% of sales were for the version with the 1.6 engine. A successful unit lives up to 350,000 kilometers, loves AI95 and iridium candles. The main problems: not always confident startup in cold weather and oil waste that grows after 120,000. Decarbonization and replacement of rings are required. There are no hydraulic lifters. The timing chain runs 200,000 kilometers. Engine 1.5 came to us through private channels, differs from 1.6 only in the piston stroke. It has slightly less chain life and lacks traction on the bottoms. Everything else is good too. Senior motor 1.8 does not give a significant increase in dynamics, and its consumption is noticeably higher. The piston group lasts longer, the oil burner occurs later. It makes little sense to look for it. It was delivered until 2008, it fits only with the MCP. And there are additional risks. The cylinder head gasket often burns out, and cracks may appear in the block. Cars with a manual 5-speed and a 4-speed automatic were sold approximately equally. Problems in all transmissions occurred by 200,000 kilometers and are caused by natural wear and tear. The hydraulic machine is used in two types, both Jatco. Early machines run RE4F03A, which can outlive the motor. Since 2010, the JF404E has appeared with manual shifting. Gives better dynamics and efficiency, but in return requires more thorough maintenance. A frivolous attitude to changing the oil greatly accelerates wear. Cars from the Japanese market are often equipped with a Jatco JF011E CVT, one of the most resistant. Its resource goes beyond 200,000 kilometers. Suspension withstands 70 to 100,000 km without shocks. Earlier only struts and stabilizer bushings are rented out. The steering rack is strong, but the shaft splines may wear out early, which will result in play and extraneous sounds. Steering cable wiring is often quickly frayed. The buttons on the steering wheel will fail. Due to the design features, moisture, dirt, and debris readily accumulate under the hood. Because of this, contacts turn sour, which affects the operation of electrical equipment. The electrics are generally not very reliable. Sometimes the immobilizer, the stove motor, the light control unit fail. Diversely mopes air conditioner. The windshield and plastic headlights are quickly overwritten. Flimsy mount bumpers. If you know of other breakdowns or malfunctions, then tell us about it in the comments. Your review can help others when choosing a used car.